See, this is what usually happens when you're about to leave the door. You find out you've got a flat tyre. So today I'm riding my bike down to work. It's been a while since I've had this bike out, but my video I put out about a year ago or a year and a half ago of the Carrera Subway one. Sort of my kind of review on it's done really well, so I thought I'd follow up with like a point of view video. Got a new GoPro Hero 10, so I'm going to do some footage of me riding down to work, and you'll see my journey to work and hopefully get an idea whether this bike might be for you. So thanks. Is this recording? Yes. We are next to the river. See the boats in the harbour office.
But yeah.
Now we're off again. Bit of a detour this morning to work. Just because I wanted to test this GoPro and obviously the bike as well. Look at all the goals. You can see, I don't know if you could see that. I don't know how wide this lens is. Right.
I don't know if it's
that way.
Hopefully that view's better. There we go. So nearly at my work, just up the hill. Here we are, my work. There's people just outside, so I thought I'd slow down. So let's do the GoPro. But here we are, at work. Whew, ready for a day, a long day. And luckily I love it. We made it down to work, just over 3 miles. Bike's parked up for the day. Look at this, this is cool. Wicked, isn't it? Right, we're at work now. So that's the Carrera Subway one. I think all in all, I've done about, that way you can see that. Nice colour. But all in all, I think I've done about 30-40 miles in here. And overall, it's pretty good. I'd say the one thing I need to probably get is a new seat. Although it looks cool, it's not very forgiving on the bottom. But you'll see my initial review of the bike up here, so we'll put that there for you. Pachow, as another YouTuber says, and then chucks the link up there, which I quite like. So you'll see that there. Have a look, and you know, any comments leave below. But thanks for watching. Throw us a like and a subscribe if you want to. But that's it. Thanks.